The future of flight is no longer locked inside secret laboratories. It's taking off right now. Across America, engineers are creating extraordinary flying inventions that are faster, smarter, and more advanced than anything we've seen before. From revolutionary aircraft to technologies that seem pulled from science fiction, these next-generation innovations are reshaping how humanity will travel, work, and explore the skies. And trust me, some of them look absolutely unbelievable. Number 1. What if personal flight no longer required wings, runways, or even a traditional aircraft? Meet the Zapata Jetracer, a revolutionary single-passenger VTOL that looks like it flew straight out of the future. Watching it rise vertically into the air is nothing short of incredible. Instead of relying on conventional aviation design, the Jetracer uses advanced jet-powered technology to create a completely new flying experience. What makes the Zapata Jetracer truly next level is its ability to blend personal mobility with cutting-edge aerospace innovation. Its compact design, vertical takeoff capability, and futuristic engineering challenge everything we think we know about individual transportation. Thrilling, futuristic, and almost surreal. It feels less like piloting a vehicle and more like stepping into the next generation of human flight. This isn't just an aircraft, it's a bold vision of tomorrow, bringing the possibility of everyday personal flight closer than ever before. Number 2. What if your daily commute could rise above traffic and take place in the sky? Meet Pivotal, a personal air vehicle that transforms the dream of individual flight into something surprisingly real. At first glance, it looks like a machine from a science fiction movie, but once airborne, it reveals a glimpse of where transportation is heading. Designed for personal flight, it combines advanced engineering with a compact form that challenges the limits of traditional travel. Pivotal is truly remarkable and reimagines mobility. Instead of being restricted by roads, it opens the door to a future where moving from one place to another can be faster, more direct, and far more exciting. Smooth, futuristic, and unforgettable. Every takeoff feels like stepping into a new era where personal aviation is no longer reserved for the distant future. This isn't just a flying vehicle, it's a bold vision of tomorrow, bringing the possibility of everyday personal flight closer than ever before. Number 3. What if the future of aviation wasn't about flying faster, but flying smarter? Meet the Otto Celera 500L, a revolutionary business aircraft designed to challenge everything we know about efficiency in the skies. Its unique shape immediately stands out. Unlike traditional private aircraft, every curve of the Celera 500L is engineered to reduce drag and maximize performance, creating a design that feels decades ahead of its time. What makes this aircraft truly remarkable is its focus on efficiency without sacrificing capability. It reimagines how business travel can be more economical, more accessible, and more sustainable, while still delivering the speed and convenience people expect from private aviation. And the experience? Quiet, refined, and incredibly futuristic. Looking at it, you get the sense that you're not seeing the next version of an airplane, you're seeing an entirely new approach to flight. This isn't just a business aircraft, it's a bold rethinking of aviation itself, built for a future where smarter design changes everything. Number 4. What if your morning commute could take place above the roads instead of on them? Meet the Jetson ONE, a personal flying vehicle that turns one of humanity's boldest dreams into a breathtaking reality. At first sight, it looks like something straight out of a futuristic movie. Lightweight, compact, and designed for a single pilot, it reimagines what personal transportation could become in the years ahead. Jetson ONE truly extraordinary and simplifies the experience of flight. Advanced control systems and innovative engineering work together to make personal aviation feel more approachable than ever before. And the sensation? Absolutely unforgettable. Lifting off the ground and soaring through open air creates a level of freedom that traditional vehicles simply can't match. This isn't just a new way to travel. It's a glimpse into a future where flying is personal, accessible, and part of everyday life. The Jetson ONE proves that the age of personal air mobility is no longer coming, it's already beginning. Number 5. What if the hoverboards from science fiction became real and could actually fly? Meet the Zapata Flyboard Air, one of the most astonishing personal flight inventions ever created. Watching it rise into the sky feels almost unreal. There are no wings, no cockpit, and no traditional aircraft design. Just a pilot standing on a jet-powered platform soaring above the ground like something from the future. What makes the Flyboard Air truly revolutionary is its bold approach to mobility. Instead of reimagining existing vehicles, it introduces a new way of thinking about personal transportation powered by advanced jet propulsion and cutting-edge engineering. And the experience? Thrilling, futuristic, and unlike anything else on Earth. Every flight demonstrates how innovation can turn seemingly impossible ideas into working technology. This isn't just a flying machine. It's a glimpse into a world where personal flight becomes more direct, more exciting, and far more extraordinary than we ever imagined. The future of transportation may not have wheels at all. It may have jet power beneath your feet. Number 6. What if humans could fly through the sky like superheroes without sitting inside an aircraft? Meet the Yves Rossy Jetwing, a groundbreaking invention that pushes the limits of human flight and imagination. Strapped directly to the pilot, this jet-powered wing transforms the dream of personal flight into a breathtaking reality. Watching it soar through the air feels less like aviation and more like witnessing the future unfold. Jetwing truly extraordinary, and the way it merges human skill with advanced aerospace engineering. Instead of controlling a traditional aircraft, the pilot becomes part of the machine, creating a flying experience unlike anything else on Earth. And the sensation? Pure freedom. Every flight showcases a level of mobility and innovation that once belonged only to science fiction. This isn't just a jet-powered wing. It's a bold step beyond conventional aviation, proving that the future of human flight may be far more personal than we ever imagined. Number 7. What if the speeder bikes from science fiction suddenly became real? Meet Xturismo, the real-life hoverbike that turns one of humanity's wildest futuristic fantasies into a flying machine you can actually ride. At first glance, it looks like a vehicle from another century, suspended above the ground and powered by advanced propulsion technology. It creates an experience that feels far beyond traditional motorcycles or aircraft. What makes Xturismo truly extraordinary is how it blends personal mobility with cutting-edge aviation innovation. Instead of driving across terrain, riders experience movement in a way that feels freer, more dynamic, and completely unlike anything on the road. And the feeling? Absolutely surreal. Watching it hover and glide through open space instantly sparks the imagination, making you wonder what transportation will look like in the decades ahead. This isn't just a hover bike, it's a glimpse into a future where personal flight becomes an everyday reality, and the boundaries between science fiction and real-world technology continue to disappear. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.